Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOTA coin. On 30th of May, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price line of IOTA has formed a very big bullish reversal cipher pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And let me to show you this chart. And before this one, I also shared another idea when the price action formed another harmonic bullish reversal cipher before this chart. And you can see that after completing this final leg, the price action entered in the buying zone and reversed bullish. And recently that I've shared the chart is this one on 30th of May. And let me show you this chart as well. And you can see that at that time, the price action after completing this final leg moved up and hit the sell zone I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher. But I told my members of the Patreon that the price action may give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price action entered here again in the buying zone. And this can be a kind of repetitive move. Like previously, I shared my major idea on the IOTA coin that was a bullish butterfly pattern that first I shared on 2019, in November 2019, then in December 2019, and again I shared a year ago on the YouTube as well. This was the video, and that was a very big bullish cipher pattern, a bullish butterfly pattern. And let me show you first this chart. That the price action was completing this final leg, and I told my members at that time that the price action can complete this final leg and entered the buying zone. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action entered the buying zone and moved here. We had very long spikes even beyond the buying zone, but the price action reversed bullish, re-entered the buying zone, did not break down this potential reversal zone, and it was more than 1100% rally, very big rally. You can see at that time when this move was completed, for example, this was the next chart that after completion of the move I shared again. At that time the price line was at 20 cents, and then the price action moved up to $2.67. That is more than 1100%, very big bullish rally. And now it has formed another bullish reversal cipher pattern. Therefore, I'm not expecting that it will just end up here after hitting this spike. I'm expecting that it will start a perfect bullish reversal move from here, like it did previously when it completed this bullish cipher pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And this time, this pattern has been formed again on the weekly time frame chart. And it can be another very good buy the dip opportunity again. And first of all, I want to show you this chart. This is the live 2-day chart, and here we can see that the price action on the 2-day chart is moving above the 200 simple moving average, and we also have the resistance of the 100 simple moving average. Now, if we take a look at the different support and resistance level, I'm just going to show you the major support and resistance levels on the weekly on the long-term chart, and we can see that we have a very important key level support, and the price action is moving above the support at 70 cents. Let me just show you. Here you can see that the price action was rejected by this 70 cents resistance here, and after that, it for the long time period the price line was moving below this resistance, and finally here in Feb 2021 the price action broke out this 70 cents resistance, and after this long rally the price line is again at this 70 cent resistance that is now working as a support. Therefore it can work as a very strong support, like previously it has been working as a very good resistance as well. Like on the weekly time frame chart we had 1, 2 and 3 and almost 4 rejections on the weekly time frame chart by the 70 cents resistance level. And now we have as a support, when it is working as a support here, we have 1 and 2 rejections so far, and whenever the price line is moving at this 70 cents support level, it is getting rejected by this 70 cents support. Therefore, we can also set this 70 cents as our stop loss. However, technically, while trading these harmonic patterns, the maximum extent of the potential reversal zone or the buying zone can be used as a stop loss. Like here, the buying zone starts from 88.8 cents and ends up to 52.14 cents, and the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence are from $1.17 to $1.87. However, I'm expecting that once we will have a powerful bullish reversal like we had previously, after the formation of this big bullish butterfly, we can expect another very big rally towards the upside, and the IOTA can hit and break out the final resistance levels as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.